With broad leaves cut in stylish designs, Monsteras can never fail to amaze with their large, stunning foliage. If you want to add some glamour to your home decor, grow some of these best Monstera Albo varieties to make your decor appeal better. Number 1. Monstera Deliciosa Albo Variegata. Albo Variegata grows unique foliage with deep cream and green colors. To ensure it gets the best hue, keep it in bright and indirect light. Number 2. Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegata. The classic Monstera is quite rare to find, but the effort will be worth it. The glossy green foliage with cream-white variegation makes it unique. Number 3. Monstera Deliciosa Albo Borsigiana. Monstera Deliciosa Albo Borsigiana is an absolute stunner, with its snowy white, bright variegation that covers huge spaces of the leaves, making it a must-have indoors. Number 4. Japanese White Tiger. Japanese White Tiger displays a snowy white-green hue. In each leaf layer, you can notice a different shade, making the variegation hypnotizing. Number 5. Monstera Adansonii Variegated Laniata Albo. Monstera Adansonii leaves have a much darker green hue and a glossier appearance than other varieties. New leaves have a matte finish and look glossy as they age. Number 6. Monstera Marbled Albo. The beautiful blend of green and white makes it one of the best variegated Monstera plants. This extremely rare specimen is famous for its prolific nature and split leaves. Number 7. Monstera Half Moon. With half white and half green leaves, the plant can add an instant charm to any space. Some specimens display speckles, marbling, streaks, and random splashes on the surface. Number 8. Monstera Marble Half Moon. This hybrid version has a combination of deeply serrated leaves that can be either green or cream in color, and you may also find some leaves with a mixture of both of these hues. Number 9. Sport Variegated Monstera. The leaves of this variety bear large fenestrations or holes that lend the plant its nickname. It has a unique blend of dark green and yellow hues. Number 10. Monstera Stadliana Albo Variegata. This cultivar is popular for its solid shade that gives the leaves their part white and part green appearance. Its leaves do not split up, which also makes it quite unique. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.